Ha Pampute, I represent the pretty girl Storm. Pretty girl Storm of the whole place like she have the whole place like. Anyway she play me say she a lot that. Mother mean.
Up. A bare kick she would I get out of that blood clot, yeah? Alright, Fretdem, I'll add you. Fucking bright. But you're lucky till I don't come to your house. Yeah, Fretdem, but how she lucky that she don't go to some girl's house. I don't know who she's talking about because it ain't me. But you're lucky I don't come to your house and come kick off your blood clot face.
Let me show you how the girl blood clot.
She's so stupid.
It's so good body wash a blood clot, girl. I go say, if you don't show your face, girl, you can't boost no blood clot body if you show them face. Me show my face, me show my house, me show my car, me show my man, my blood clot husband, me show everything, and you still can't come out and show a blood clot my picture. Dirty, stinky, nasty blood clot.
Exactly.
Canada, aka Osha Nicole Sanders. Go suck your mother, you and your sister. First of all, you don't have no mother. Hey, people. Me never know say blood clot fish. I what you say fish about again?
Fish farm.
Fish farm. Which blood clot fish farm you go? Because your father, your butcher, when your father have a little piece of chop up blood clot meat them and eat him just scrape up and gear. You come talk about you buying a bulk. Lady, as I eat town in your house and a little bit of blood clot grocery where you go buy where you always frightened fast. And your man still blood clot hungry and you're still hungry. The amount of food where you cook, you should have been big, nice, strong and blood clot healthy like my clean sister Tanya. That's why you're bad mind.
Right?
That's why your blood clot bad mind. You is a bad minded blood clot species, I swear. Bad minded worse than blood clot phobia and cancer. Me not lie.
Fretdem, you never hear what she had talked and say, she's collecting money for her 2 daughters. Why you watching money that anybody's getting?
No, because I'm not trying to tell her about she have blood clot in from all is a talk about say you go call from people. Not because you put up an address and call from people that don't mean nothing go suck your mother. You love blood clot police is a red eye. Remember me telling you where you love police.
Call Revenue Canada and she's gonna report me because I put money up on my page. And I'm selling drugs. My man is a drug dealer. All kind of stuff. Bitch, you don't know nothing about me. You don't know nothing about my fucking life, bitch.
What she needs to do, I'm gonna decorate the blood clot antidote the way she have. Halloween soon come up, so she needs to go start decorate the blood clot spooky house.
Right?
Dirty stinky looks and as me now cause me I have blood clot reason. You're the my name for all many blood clot years and you don't know nothing about me. But then you come out and say people don't know nothing about you. Are you fucking serious? In dirty stinking woman, really remember you buy the piece of ring for your blood clot finger. Out of your house, dirty and stink and nasty no blood clot. Look on the little piece of, you for say you're a rich woman and you can't change over the swing them where you have in your backyard from when the baby alligator them did young. Remember the 13-year-old you have now. So all you have them see a piece of dark shit then in your house in dirty stinking nasty woman. So cool bitch. Come out from me blood clot name. You and dirty young pussy. Puss. Me 8, 9 and 10 on the blood clot drunker. Come out from me name. Me not like no. You know nothing about blood clot. Me anything you know about me when me put up on the internet. Remember, you come out and attack everything like you. And you big blood clot about frog pussy call. Let me tell you something. You see, under you come like blood clot pig foot. Dirty broad back kick out the 2 false teeth where you have in your front of your blood clot mouth. Dirty kick out itch up and blood clot porn up. And not stop call up my name and my sister blood clot clean name. Keko, that's why you always depend life from morning till night and you sound like you want blood clot sleep or you're drunk or you're coke. Because when you don't go skin out your little dirty pussy pan porn up when nobody now blood clot by. I wonder why they want to take out the house where them give to you for $98 fucking. In drunker, $98 blood clot dollars. Them are gonna take out the house for, because guess what? You're careless, no blood clot. You're a careless piece of shit. You clear to say you have blood clot husband, you eat up all life, morning, noon, and night, so that the man then a blood clot nyam. And when nyam fella young, I wonder why blood clot can never talk in at the back. In drunk up, hop up and back of words, but you say you have big blood. You think you can beat nobody? All me want to know say Canada go open next month, and this me want to tell you, say, let's see the fucking what you call it, the pub. I want to see the blood clot pub and restaurant where you claim say you have dirty woman. Drunk up woman, stinking pussy woman, you want to see the pub. That's how I want to. Remember you say you have businesses and you're so busy. I want to see the fucking pub. Because remember you didn't get the license, you know, in a 2021 December. We didn't reach 2021 December yet from in a 2020.
Handicap your phone.
So we want to see it. We want to see the blood clot pub where you don't have a pub.
You don't act like people fucking scared of her. Nobody ain't scared of this bitch. You can never, ever in life bring us off of the internet. Or take we down off of the internet like what you thought. You thought you could plan to try to take us down. But that shit ain't work, bitch. You're not likable.
Can't take like nobody. They might get beat and blood clot teach. That's why them sorry.
Right. Exactly.
People
don't like you. Like, fuck out of here, you hoe. Nobody don't like the dog shit.
You don't have no fucking kids. You got animals. Take them shit to the fucking zoo.
No, but Fretdem, you never hear the woman say, oh, she could get free daycare if she wanted to. If she could get free daycare. Daycare for 10-year-olds? What? The fuck you gonna get? Like, listen. Then she's telling me, oh, if I was to get the money that Storm Boasie gets, I would pay for, if I was to have another kid, I would make sure to pay for a nanny. And I would pay for, bitch, you're not the Kardashians. You and Amari need to stop. You guys need to stop living in this fucking dream world.
She don't have no sense. She's sitting in her blood clot and me tell her that woman they sick.
She a bad mind. Anytime I say I have this, or I'm gonna do this or whatever, anybody that says that they're doing something, like say if a person works, right? And then they meet her and they say, oh, I'm a chef and this and that. She would say, oh, I'm a top cook at this place, or I own my own pub, like what she's been telling us. Which fucking pub you have, lady? 4 years now and it still can't blood clot whooping. All those liquor that you have that you so-called were piling out and saying that you're getting ready to open the pub and this and that, all of those expire. Everything in there expire.
Alright. But you want blood clot, sit down and attack. But you want sit down and dip on blood clot people. So could girl, me not answer you after today, go suck your mother juice, say I go buy your blood clot ticket. Hurry up and take the ticket and bumbo clot come. You understand? That's what you have to do. You need to come and stop in the one bag of long talking. You don't know bag of long talking. You say you're going to get your sister involved. Get that bitch involved so we could kick her fucking face in.
Beat her the fuck up. I mean, no, say she can't do
come talk. But me not sure this lady see. I have to go show the husband where you say, the woman never tell us that she have a blood clot husband. The woman tell us that she have a man. The woman tell us that she have a blood clot man. That's what she tell you.
She look down on Jamaicans. You know,
and single mother, but she look down on single mother and she's a fucking single mother herself.
Exactly.
She's a single mother her goddamn self. Cause she never have
she's telling people on Instagram that her kids are for that one man in there. No.
Yeah, okay.
The two is the jacket. The two of them, the two oldest ones are jacket for Indian. And then the middle girl is, me don't know, with your father there. I don't know. But the twins are for the man in her house. She needs to stop it. She has 3 baby father. Move your blood clot
over here. Pussy girl, I tell her, said all of them are the same shit.
Your fucking pussy fling all about.
We go listen to that voice note. That voice note I was fake, so she called the police probably. Listen.
In the white neighborhood and your girl can't walk Sam around the back. Exactly. She wouldn't even let her child do that. Please. Gated community harass. Sure.
This was Keiko call me and playing.
Don't fucking tell me. I'm telling you, this delusional bitch. This bitch is delusional as fuck. I'm telling you, they talk anytime they come out with something and they talk, it's just word of mouth. At least we show receipts. We have fucking receipts.
The girl said she gonna show Candy passport, she gonna show this, she gonna show that. Remember when she come out and I show her man and I say my husband, I told me poison my husband. She knew about a lot of stuff. She's the one that poisoning blood clot people.
Yeah, this bitch is saying, drop my house, drop my address, my real address. People, don't you know yesterday when she was on her live and she was like, big pussy star Boasie, it is your real house. Stop talking shit.
Like, no, we are gonna find out when the body stop talk star. When the body I walk, we have a blood clot find out.
Right, yeah.
We're gonna find out, that's all. Yeah, we're gonna find out and I'm gonna go over there and record and I'm gonna blood clot show at the baboon. I'm gonna show this fucking bitch that just get up and have nothing to do.
Yeah,
they're like, oh, me blood clot hours. Oh, me just gonna come up here quick and fast. People, me just gonna come up here quick and fast. Remember, this is your blood clot Netflix. This is your entertainment. You don't have no friends. None of your friends them not like you. You know, but no one be your friend. You're animal.
But that's why them used to beat out our blood clots in our Jane and Finch. Then that's why them used to beat her. Because she chat too much, she can't hold no secret. Anytime she friend with somebody, she end up chat them with somebody else. And then the people then find out and beat out, the two of them will beat out our blood clot. Yeah, she chat the people them out there. And the girl them beat her all the time for her mouth. Yeah?
Yeah, she not a bad girl, boy, you're going to get your sister involved.
Hold on, that picture that she showed on her live talking about, oh, and this is my nurse ID from 2005, bitch. It says 1 hour photo. That's a passport picture, you dumb fuck. Who are you trying to fool?
No,
like you're trying to fool. Like you know why? Because they're American. Because majority of the people that watch are from England, from Jamaica, and from the United States. A few of them from Canada, but not much, right? That's the reason why she thinks she could pull the wool over people. Blood clot, yeah. She needs to stop it, yo. It's a passport picture. She just turned it around on the other side and then show it and make it even worse. We know how it looks. She needs to stop it.
She say her son have health insurance. Oh, your son have health insurance and in a few months still like so lady. Look how blood clot look like when donkey.
No, but look at her mouth.
Look on the blood clot look like when she take off in a blood clot wing pan line. And that's what I say.
You ever see this woman smile?
She never smiles. The woman can't smile. How she go smile? Looking at her son blood clot mouth.
She
and
never
you come about your son a liar. So all your son a liar and in school in less than 4 blood clot years. Dirty woman. Lady, you don't have no memory. Lady, you want blood clot.
She needs braces and she didn't talk about people's teeth. She need braces her fucking self. Her teeth buff no blood clot. Don't fucking kill me. You think my teeth can look like that and me no blood clot get braces or get veneers?
Look, when you want to style my blood clot friend Drew not reach 50 blood clot 3. Look, Anthony Martin, a 57-year-old Maplewood man was fatally shot. Yeah. See the blood clot same Indian man, the Anthony Martin, where her son blood clot father. And you come talk about people and fuck all man. Y'all remember you all full up a blood clot cobweb because
now you tell me, does the big son look like him? Does any of her kids look like Anthony?
None of your blood clot kids don't look like this blood
clot. None of them are blood clot.
See the fucking baboon son, you look. You see that son, you see my up there. Oh, him some blood clot blacker than you. Go and go give Big
He's
Mac
blacker
than
her.
And that's what you need to do. Go and go give Big Mac a burger pick and stop trying to give it to Popeyes. Move your bum
right?
Where?
No, but even at the bottom of that picture,
at
the bottom,
ugly.
Fretdem, show that picture.
Ugly like you.
Show that picture again, and it says, "Rest in peace, Dad."
Oh,